We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run. Huh. What a statement. Yeah. If you got a Steam Deck with an Xbox 360, you're not missing out on anything. You got a Steam Deck with say a Wii U, you're not missing out on anything. If you got a Steam Deck with a, say, PS3, you're not missing out on anything. Yeah, you got 15,000 games and counting to play with a lot of updates. Yeah. What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, the Steam Deck tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks. You investigators. Well, I saw the PlayStation Showcase yesterday, and they got some games coming, but it also showed me that the Activision court case, exposed Sony, because they were crying over Call of Duty, and now they got shooters like Helldiver, and now like the first game they showed on the showcase yesterday. So PlayStation got games, man. Anyway, but yeah, some of those games can run on this. Oh yeah, we couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run, so yeah, we're good. Then I saw the article over on Tech for Gamers, where they were talking about, their PlayStation games was a way of like getting more. Their PlayStation games on PC were a way of like getting more games on PlayStation. Well, my argument to that is PC gamers are going to be PC gamers. Console gamers are going to be console gamers. There's some console gamers that like to play on PC, but then there's some PC gamers that like to play on console. So yeah, you might get some people, but they're not going to complete. Some people will completely jump ship from PC to console, but then you got some other people that will jump straight from console to PC and never look back. So yeah. Other than that, man, the game industry moves on. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run. Yeah. Oh, speaking of the Steam Deck, we got Proton. Yeah, another update, and this one is big. Listen to this. It says here, Proton 9.0-2 has recently released candidate ready for testing on Linux PC. Valve stealthy put out a release candidate for testing the next level update to Proton for Linux PC and Steam Deck with Proton 9.0-2. They actually put this up last week on May 24th. Posted on the official Proton GitHub, Proton 9.0 release candidate include various changes previously in Proton Hotfix and Proton Experimental. Valve are looking for feedback on any issue that happened that were not present in Proton 9.0.1. It says here's the current changes. Now playable: Alpha League, Battlezone Gold Edition in VR, Black Desert Online, FreeSync Football, Helldiver, Hero Lands, Aragon, Senua Saga Hellblade 2, SimCity 3000 Unlimited, yeah, for you city builders, Warlords Battlecry. Then it says enable controller support via Excelia in the launcher of, and then Cluster Trucks, Fallout 3, Standard and Game of the Year Edition, partially supported only, Fallout 4, Mugster, Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim, 72850, Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim Special Edition, Tomb Raider Anniversary Edition, Tomb Raider Legends. Limited numbers of cores seen by the following games, making them playable on high core count CPUs: Call of Juarez Gunslinger, Command & Conquer, and the Covert Operation. Then it says fix Ghost of Tsushima Horizon Forbidden West, displaying a warning about outdated drivers with NVIDIA GPUs. Fix the final crashing on launching after recent game updates. Fix final wrongly detecting button mashing. fix final not working on machines supporting AVX512 without clear CPU ID equals 384 in the kernel command line. Then it says fix Apex Legend not starting after a recent game update. Fix Tekken 8 reporting wrong connection type if both Wi-Fi and Ethernet are present. Fix Ubisoft Launcher not starting games with a fresh Proton prefix. Fix Halo Infinite crashing randomly during initializing data. Fix Beat Sabers not being playable on NVIDIA GPUs without using the legacy branch. Fix Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite crashing when creating multiplayer lobbies. Fix hosting multiplayer games in the Foundry. Fix rendering of Japanese characters in launcher of Grenado Espada Japan. Fix Nightingale not being able to authenticate with Steam on desktop. Fix Bloom Monkey City thinking it's offline with IPv6 support disabled. Fix Ubisoft Launcher asking for serial numbers on the first launch of Tom Clancy Ghost Recon Future Soldier. Fix Descent 3 not working in GL mode. Fix the shattering freezing on loading screen when trying to join a second online match in a session. Fix Ages of Empire 2 Definitive Edition crashing when skipping with intro videos. Fix Imperium Greek Wars launcher. Fix Call of Juarez Bound in Blood failing to launch on a fresh prefix. Fix audio stutter in Viking Battle of Ashgard. Fix Swords of Legends online launcher and not being displayed correctly. Fix Russian language rendering in Brothers A Tale of Two Sun launcher. Fix scaling in the Desolate Hope when playing on desktop. Improve controller inputs support for Tower Princess. Improve performance. We love Katamari reroll plus Royal Reverie. Fix Gris showing error window when exiting the game. Fix issues with transparency in Aika R. Fix loaded/save dialog not working in idle spiral on Steam Deck. And that ARC is 8. What it says, fix issue with transparency in AKKARRH. Then it says add raw HID support for VKB Gunfighter SCG. Fix random crashes in Cosmoteer Starship Architect and Commander. Fix fonts rendering in Cosmoteer Starship Architecture and Command on Steam Deck. Improve Chinese fonts rendering in the Cosmoteer Starship Architect Commander. Fix Russian and Hebrew font rendering in Simon the Sorcerer 25th Anniversary Edition. Improve fonts rendering in Alien Swarm Reactive Drop on Steam Deck. Update support for OpenXR to version 1.1.36. Updates VR support for version 2.2.3. Update VKD3D Proton to version 2.12-58 GF6D39052AFB1. Update DXVK to version 2.3.1. 64G88 98 0288 7FA5. Update DXVK Navapie to version 0.7.0-7-GAAE 490 2B6FF7. Update Wine Mono to version 9.1. And then it says currently the post on GitHub has no replies, so I imagine most people miss the release candidate as well. So now you've got a weekend of testing ahead of you. How to test? Look for Proton in your Steam library. Go into the properties and beta and select release candidate from the Dropbox. Proton. And that should do it. So that should keep you you Steam Deck fans busy for the weekend. Yeah, told you. Updates are like this. They always coming in. Always. So Valve, they are on it. And yeah, nice little update. So you should improve things. And always send them your feedback whenever you run into a problem. And then go on from there. Yeah. Other than that, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. News, deals, games update. The usual. Yeah, that was a big list for Proton. So they've improved a lot of things, and now your experience should be better. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars started thing for Dark Side. I'm gone. Peace.